Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most amazing and beginner friendly ideas of crochet earrings. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs in this video. All of them are very unique. Most of the designs are of flower earrings as you can see, and you will see some other designs which are super beginner friendly as well, and most of these designs can be made just within 10 minutes, and maximum designs can take up to half an hour. So these designs are all made with crochet. 3-ply yarn or 2-ply yarn is used in these designs, and you will see embroidery yarn or embroidery thread used in some of the designs as well. The designs which are made with shiny yarn are shiny silk embroidery thread. So different kinds of materials are used to make them, and you can see other accessories, jewelry accessories like jump rings, earring hooks are used in them, and all of these designs are having very attractive and beautiful color schemes too. Some of the designs are having beadwork in them as well. Seed beads are used in some of the designs. So all you need to have is all you need to have is earrings, different types of beads. You will need jump ring and earring hook, and you can make these really attractive and beautiful earrings by yourself at home. You can have a few pairs for you, and you can easily make them just with the help of yarn and these materials. If you know crochet work, you can easily copy them just with the help of picture. If you don't know crochet work, or if you are a beginner of crochet work, you cannot copy the design from picture. You can visit my channel. I have some earring tutorial videos, and I have different crochet flower tutorial videos available on my channel, and you can follow the tutorial video of flowers and different earrings, and you can just attach a ring hook to them, and your very attractive and beautiful crochet flower earring is ready. I have rose flower, I have simple two petal flower, sorry, two round flower. I have layer flower like this one, which is 3 layer, and I have tutorial video of 2 layer flower. So I have a really attractive and beautiful crochet flowers available on my channel, so you can just use that tutorial videos to make beautiful earrings for you. So just let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing full tutorial videos of crochet earrings as well. I will also upload crochet tutorial videos upon earrings, and I will also upload different kinds of crochet videos related to wearable accessories of women if you are interested in seeing these kinds of tutorial videos, because I upload different kinds of crochet tutorial videos: square patches, round patches, costers, doilies, ladies stuff, and baby accessories tutorial videos. So stay connected to get them all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye.